Hello, hello, my scientists. Good morning. It is Tuesday, September 8th. Yesterday we had no school because of Labor Day, so today is our walkthrough on a Tuesday. Looking pretty orange there in the sky today. Because of all the fires in California, we have a lot of particles or little tiny things in the air, and the sun is coming through, making a kind of orangish, yellowish light here in the garden today. I wanted to share a couple of things with you all from our beautiful outdoor classroom. Some new things I've noticed. Breeze picking up a little bit here. Hope you all stayed cool this weekend. All right, friends, I wanted to let you know I'm going to be posting some videos, some Miss Jade Nature Channel videos this week, so be sure to check for those. And also thinking about your rocks, the rock spiral that's going to be placed in the garden. I'm thinking kind of where this bench is, actually. So don't forget about the rocks as well. All right, scientists, here we are, some new things. Anybody recognize this fruit? A couple weeks ago we saw those flowers, and now they've turned. We have a change. Tomatillo fruit to make salsa verde. All of our brassicas over here, all of our broccolis and our kales and our collards are either going to flower, which means they've formed their flowers, or the flowers have formed seed pods. And I'm waiting for all of these seed pods to get nice and dry. Any idea why it's important to save seeds? Maybe you remember from last year. It's important to save seeds in order to, here's some more, have seeds for our next season. So we don't have to go buy more broccoli seeds or more kale seeds. We can use the seeds that are in these seeds pods here once they dry. Here's a dry one. Getting all nice and crispy. Sometimes seed pods will rattle when they're ready. Broccoli seeds, I think, are too small to rattle, but we can feel when they're dry and crispy. Other things that I've noticed here today. Sure is nice outside, a little cooler today. Oh, I was over here. What are these plants? But do you recognize these? Here's a flower, close up. Got kind of this symmetrical shape. Anybody recognize these fruits forming? Oh, here's a long one. Ooh, lots of green beans. These are gorgeous. If you come to the garden and if you can count more than 10, the rule of 10, then you can just snap right at the tip and you could try one. Beans. Really good. Please make sure, friends, you are not picking unless you follow the rules, the rule of 10. We only have one eggplant left. Actually, one per plant. A couple were picked when they were not ready, and there were not 10, friends. Beautiful little eggplants here. Some more eggplant flowers. Maybe those will get pollinated. I was over in this bed today. And anybody recognize this herb? It kind of sounds like the state Oregon. Oregano is the herb. And I was noticing that the oregano used in a lot of different kinds of Mediterranean dishes or Mexican dishes, it's making these flowers. I'm going to pick one off and show you. There's way more than 10. It's almost like a long caterpillar-shaped flower. Super interesting that the flower is so long like that. I was kind of noticing that. And I was going to research if the flowers are really deliciously edible, just like the leaves are as well. Because they sure are neat to look at. Oregano flowers. Some other things. Our peppers are getting really quite large, and they're getting kind of that darkish color on there, showing me that they're getting ready to be harvested. Our tomatoes, next year we got to get tomato cages so our tomatoes can stand upright. But they are coming in. I'll know that they're ready when they're a little softer. These ones are still pretty hard. They're looking beautiful. Oh, and some, what are these? What cucumbers that have formed. A great summer fruit. Our amaranth is growing back. This beautiful long flower projections are back. Oh, and then I was working in this bed this morning, and I was digging up some of these weeds. Remember, a weed is just a plant that you don't want in a certain spot, and usually they're very productive and very good at spreading themselves and making new plants. And I was digging around and I saw, what are these? Some potatoes that had been planted in this wine barrel garden bed a while back. What a cool surprise. I could either replant those or we could harvest them. And then I was digging over here, and you see all these friends back there? What are those? Oh, so many pill bugs, also known as roly-polies, because they can roll up into a ball, unlike sow bugs. And they're in there. Looks like they've got some homes. There are some smaller ones. Oh my goodness. You can comment on this video what you think they're doing. What are they eating? Why are they choosing this spot? Send me some ideas about some of those roly-polies today. Excellent, friends. Anything else? Oh, my goodness. As you're looking at this citrus tree, do you see what I see? How many fruits can you see? Whoa, on that tree, they almost camouflage, and then when I zoom in, there are so many. And interestingly, below this citrus tree, there's a couple of small fruits that have fallen off that look like baby mandarins, almost like for some reason they didn't fully develop. Itty bitty tiny little mandarins, just related to an orange or a lemon. Pretty interesting. It makes me wonder as a scientist why, oh, there's an orange one, a big orange one. Why did the tree get rid of some of those little small ones? Why did they not develop fully? There's some ideas behind that. All right, I want to show you one more thing I saw on this cool Tuesday. What is this plant? This is our banana, right, that Miss Michelle planted. It's doing really, really well. But look what's down below. The baby bananas are doing really well. How many babies do you see there? If I back out, how many do you see? 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. That third one's almost getting as tall as me, but the banana tree is happy. Plátanos. No flowers yet, though, so no fruit yet. It's like a family of banana trees. All right, scientists, I look forward to meeting with you this week and next week. We're going to be diving into some science ideas. Until then, have a beautiful day, and I'll see you soon.